Hey there. Imagine this. You're deep in a creative project, a masterpiece brewing in your mind. You're ready to unleash your imagination, to weave a tapestry of words, images, and sounds. But then, the dreaded blank page. Where do you even begin? That's where Gemini can be a game changer. This powerful AI can be your creative companion, helping you brainstorm ideas, overcome writer's block, and even generate entire drafts. But to unlock the full potential of Gemini, you need to know how to link your account properly. So, let's dive in. Linking your Gemini account, a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your platform. Google Workspace. If you're already part of the Google ecosystem, linking your Gemini account to your Google Workspace is the most seamless option. This grants you access to Gemini within familiar tools like Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. Standalone account. If you prefer a more independent experience, you can create a standalone Gemini account. This offers greater flexibility but may require some additional setup. 2. Access Gemini. Google Workspace. Log into your Google Workspace account. Locate the Gemini icon. It might be integrated into your toolbar or accessible through a dedicated app. Click on the icon to access the Gemini interface. Standalone account. Visit the official Gemini website. Create an account by providing the necessary information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account creation process. 3. Verify your account. Email verification. You'll typically receive a verification email. Click on the provided link to confirm your account ownership. Phone verification. In some cases, you may be prompted to verify your phone number. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. 4. Explore the Gemini interface. Once your account is linked, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Gemini interface. Key features. Text generation. Generate text for various purposes, such as writing emails, composing stories, creating scripts, and summarizing articles. Code generation. Write and debug code in various programming languages. Translation. Translate text between multiple languages with high accuracy. Image generation. Create stunning images based on your text descriptions. Conversation. Engage in interactive conversations with Gemini, asking questions and receiving informative responses. 5. Customize your Gemini experience. Preferences. Adjust your settings to tailor Gemini to your specific needs and preferences. Language. Choose your preferred language for interaction. Tone. Select the desired tone for generated text, e.g., formal, informal, creative. Style. Customize the writing style to match your desired output, e.g., academic, journalistic, conversational. Safety settings. Explore safety settings to ensure that the generated content aligns with your ethical and moral guidelines. Tips for effective Gemini usage. Provide clear instructions. When interacting with Gemini, be as specific as possible in your prompts and requests. The more information you provide, the better Gemini can understand your needs and generate relevant output. Refine and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine your prompts. If the initial output doesn't meet your expectations, try rephrasing your request or providing additional context. Leverage Gemini's strengths. Utilize Gemini's strengths to enhance your productivity and creativity. For example, use it to overcome writer's block, brainstorm ideas, and quickly generate drafts. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest Gemini features and updates. This will help you maximize the value of your account and discover new ways to leverage its capabilities. Troubleshooting common issues. Account login problems. If you're having trouble logging into your account, double-check your credentials and ensure you're using the correct password. If the issue persists, contact Gemini support for assistance. Slow performance. If Gemini is responding slowly, check your internet connection. You can also try simplifying your prompts or reducing the complexity of your requests. Unexpected output. If Gemini generates unexpected or irrelevant output, carefully review your prompts and ensure they are clear and concise. You may need to provide more specific instructions or adjust your settings. Beyond the basics, advanced Gemini usage. API access. For developers and advanced users, Gemini offers API access. This allows you to integrate Gemini's capabilities into your own applications and workflows. Custom models. Explore the possibility of creating custom models trained on your own data. This can be particularly useful for businesses and organizations with specific needs. Community and collaboration. Engage with the Gemini community to share tips, learn from others, and discover new use cases for this powerful AI. Ethical considerations. Bias and fairness. Be aware of potential biases in the data used to train Gemini. Always critically evaluate the generated output and ensure it is free from harmful biases. Misinformation. Be mindful of the potential for misinformation and the responsible use of AI-generated content. Data privacy. Understand the data privacy implications of using Gemini and take steps to protect your personal information. Linking your Gemini account opens up a world of possibilities for creativity, productivity, and innovation. By following these steps and exploring the various features, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful AI and elevate your work to new heights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.